What's up YouTube? Today I'll show you how you can create a banner which is located here for your website, for your YouTube channel. This is very important because the people which will visit your channel will see this, and it's very important to have something impactful, a message, a picture or something. Okay, so let's start. First thing, we go on Photoshop and we just open a file. And what I did there, I just got the green color and I just colored because I really like green color. So I got the color and I color this because I love green color. Okay, now the next step is to add a picture. I have a picture in here, this one. So I just drag this one from there to this. So this will show here, and then obviously I drag another part which is my logo on the other side, and then what I did, I added two texts. So basically you go to here and you just type, you know, Bisquilt something like that, and yeah, is this from there? I'll just remove that part. Okay, and now the trick is you need to save it to be you know, to fit right on the on YouTube. So I'll just save this file and then I'll go to YouTube channel. Okay, I'll remove my current banner. I have this banner here. Yeah, so I'll keep this because I want to be like that, so we can see how it's for on desktop. So on desktop is like that. Okay, because I'm on desktop at the moment. And then I'll publish. Okay, and then when we go to the channel, yeah, that's the banner. So pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty straightforward, nothing fancy. This will help you to create, you know, your banner, YouTube banner. Obviously you need to have the picture without the background, but for that you can use in Photoshop this tool. So you select your picture and then you select the magic wand tool to remove the background, and then you need to have your logo, or you can put something else, but that's straightforward. Okay, I hope this will help. If this helps you, please give me a like and subscribe and share, comment, wherever. Thank you.